Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this project is very important, and this project is a roots blower project. This project is a roots blower project, and this part is a cover design and how to this bodies design easily and clearly, and all parts is a one by one is drawing, and last is a this is a assemble here. And okay, this body is looking perfect, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all geometry and all dimension is looking here, and this body is a cover design, and how to this body design easily and clearly, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, let's start here this body's design. Okay, at first this body is design easily and clearly, and how to this body is design, and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student, and how to this body is design. And this is a back side, and this is a front side is also looking perfect and correct. And okay, this is a body is looking, this body is drawing easily and clearly. Okay guys, let's start here this body's design. Okay, and at first some important point is a setting here, and then this is a use a plain white, and going to this option and document properties and image quality, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And okay, this is a use a front view and use a front plane also better, and all dimension is a perfect. And first drawing a this straight slot, and this is a 96, radius is 96 millimeter, and this is a diameter is a inside 139.5 millimeter, and this diameter is also same, and this distance between is this 89.69, and this circle, a small circle is drawing here 20 diameter, and this a small circle is also, this is a 10 diameter, and this thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, at first select a front plane sketch. Okay, and drawing a slot, straight slot is perfect. Okay, this is a slot is drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect, and this is a 1. Okay, this is a 96. Okay, and this distance between is this is a 89.69. okay, this is a perfect. This distance between 89.69 and this 96. Okay, and this slot is a perfect drawing here, and going to this extrude boss, thickness is 20 millimeter. Okay, and this blind. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, this body is drawing here, and select this face sketch normal, and again select a drawing a two circle is drawing here easily. And okay, and select this circle is a 139.5. okay, and then both circle is a select here, and this is a equal. Okay, because this both circle is drawing here same dimension. Okay, and then again distance between this point to this is a 89.69. okay, and both point, press a control button, and both point is selected, and this is a horizontal. okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and again select a small circle is this to this. Okay, and both circle is same equal, and this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and all. Okay, this circle is drawing here 139.5 millimeter, and this is the same, and the small circle is drawing here 20 millimeter, and distance between 89.69. okay, all is perfect, and going to extrude cut, and one by one is extrude cut. At first select this, and again select this, and use a through all, and okay, and again select this extrude cut is apply here, and select this line, and again select this line. Okay, all is, and this thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect, and click okay. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and all is perfect, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a center line connect to this point to this. Okay, and a small circle is drawing here a midpoint, and this diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this check here this distance between this 13.13. okay, this dimension is perfect, and okay, this thickness is a check here 13.13 millimeter, and this small circle is diameter is drawing here a 10 millimeter. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and apply here through all, and click OK. But pattern is used here this, and use a sketch curve driven pattern is perfect, and okay, this is a select here use this use a sketch upper line is a select here, and okay, and okay, this is select here this okay, and first is a sketch here this, and pattern is 15 equal spacing, and offset curve align to seed, and partial preview. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and go okay, this is a better, and all is dimension is used here, and all one by one is all drawing is a perfect, and going to this appearance, and this is painted, and going to candy apple red, and okay, this is a perfect. This color is a looking perfect and correct, and isometric view is also perfect, looking here, and all body is a, and all okay, all is drawing here easily and clearly, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.